I'm John Hotchkis. Today we're going to take an inside look at our A-arms. Alright, let's look into the details of our A-arms, because as a customer you see these arms, you see A-arms in catalogs, websites, wherever, and A-arms look like A-arms look like A-arms. Well, not true with ours. So we want to show you the details, the features and benefits, and why to choose Hotchkis. Let's jump into the features of our lower A-arms. Okay, premium ball joint, so important to have the best OE quality products. We have CNC machine ball joint cup. You can see the tubes, they're narrowed, and what we call it, they're wasted in. So to make that, we scallop the tubes, inset the spring cup, so the arm becomes narrow, full-size coil spring, narrower arm for more wheel tire clearance. We have our polyurethane spring mount, our aluminum ride height shims, and you get 2 of these with each arm so you can customize the ride height to just what you want. Inside we have our unique brand new shock mount. So this A-arm can be used for standard shock or also coilovers. We've replicated the lower part of the arm just to show you the detail of the stock type shock mount. Okay, so this part right here is the lower piece of our spring bucket. This is welded to the bottom to make the complete spring bucket. This is our standard shock mount. Turn this over and this looks just like the lower part of this A-arm. What we do is we have laser cut TIG welded mounts, where imagine your trunnions of your shocks mounts right here, just like underneath the arm. Therefore you can run a stock type shock mount or actually use a coilover with our A-arms. Now I'll show you how our A-arms are adaptable to our coilovers. Now we suggest you use our coilovers, but our A-arms will also mount other types of coilovers as well. Here's our fabricated coilover mount. Now imagine our A-arms. I showed you the conventional shock mount. Well, this goes underneath the A-arm. This goes on top. We bolt this in with fasteners all around, and then the coilover then bolts right here, and therefore our A-arms are now fitted for coilovers. We hope you've enjoyed another segment of Hotchkis Inside Look. If you have questions on any of these products, want more technical information, distributor information, whatever it is, please go to hotchkis.net or give us a call at 562-907-7757. Also, if you're on Instagram, check out our new Drive with Hotchkis hashtag. That's where so many of our customers gather to show their cool cars. Until then, I'm John Hotchkis, and thank you for watching.